Let's do some chili and lime, beer battered fish, some nice chunky chips. Oh yeah. We're going to make our own chips. We're going to blanch them first. So cut them up into chips, get into a pot, some cold water on the stove. Let's go. Before you cook your potatoes, you want to make sure that you run them under some cold water first for a couple of minutes, just until the water runs clear. This is going to help them get really, really crispy, and they won't be nice. They won't be terribly starchy. So now that our potatoes are cooked, we're going to take them out of the water. So you can see here that they're starting to get soft and they're falling apart a little bit. That's exactly what we want. So turn it off, and you should feel them, and they should just get soft a tiny, tiny bit. And now we're going to lay them out onto a rack. Use a spoon to pull them out. Don't just pour them into a colander, because you'll break them all. And just lay them out flat. And what we want to achieve here is to get the steam coming out of them. We're going to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so we're going to give our fish a season now, some of our chili and lime rub, give it a nice hit, and then we're going to coat it with some flour, get it ready for frying. To make our batter, we got some plain flour in a bowl here. We're going to give it a really good whack with the chili and lime rub, and then we're going to go straight in with some beer. So you can use whatever beer you want. We love the PBR. Let's get going. Make sure that you get to this consistency, and you don't want it to be too thick, but as it's a beer batter, it's supposed to have a little bit of body to it, and that's exactly how you want it. For our chips to fry, we can make our mayo. So we're going to get 1 egg, a bit of lemon juice, some chili and lime rub, veg oil, give it a blend, and then we'll be done.